Hello.
Hi.
Alright, dude. Fuck. So, as you know, the container came. TBO front bumper, dude. We're gonna put it on today. We have to literally chop the living fuck out of the crash bar.
Wow.
Also, we're fucking swagged up, both me and Adam.
Yeah, we're choding with the Bass Pro Shops hat. Had to pick it up from Mac. Dude, the lens is so fucking dirty.
Oh, fuck. This old Champion blank's not the softest compared to our new shit. Way softer nowadays.
Fire, dude.
Don't worry about it. Give me a... Here. It's fire. I'm sure they saw.
Think so?
Good enough amount.
One more?
Available next month, early August. Don't miss it.
Don't fucking sleep, bruh.
Okay, and we also got what I thought were dual projectors.
I don't know why you thought. I looked at the ad. Dude.
Yeah, I don't know why I saw.
Fully triples.
Whatever, so they're triples, but they're like mint.
All the tabs are in shape.
Yeah, and then, but he also included the fucking bulbs in there, dude. Okay, so what we gotta do now is pull off the stock bumper. Oh yeah, I also got a strap bar. I'm probably not gonna put that on yet because we're gonna paint it, but shout out to fucking Garage Tenoshi, dude. Website going live in a week or two.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. Also got side skirts from Garage Tenoshi. Link in the fucking description.
Check out the Instagram at Garage Knows. You try to get that shit to 10K.
Yes.
Website going live in the 2nd or 3rd week of July 2020.
Which by the time this video goes live, Tenoshi will probably be live either now or in like 2 days. Make sure you're following Moist Boys and Garage Tenoshi
on Instagram.
Yes.
Also follow the OnlyFans.
Yes. Just put a fresh fucking pic of my cock on there.
No. Do you know I commented on it?
Can you take out all the swears this video and see what happens?
Just beep it.
Yeah.
Because that's funny. Or put in like an animal sound. What's this bumper held on by? Luck?
2 bolts and 3 zip ties.
Stay
the fuck out of Banff, alright, you fucking idiots.
Coronavirus isn't real.
Coronavirus is a political opinion. Fuck a mask. I won't be part of the sheep, dude. Watch out for 5G, dude. Boycott Bill Gates.
Wearing a mask is like slavery, dude.
Make America great again. They're doing pretty good right now.
Yeah, dude.
Really good.
Cases are down.
Good job.
Yeah, they're all staying indoors.
Not all. But the ones that are fucking it?
West coast of the US, decent.
Yeah.
Rest of it, not decent.
No. It's my videos. I feel like it's gonna just cause so much shit.
I don't fucking care.
I'm keeping it in. They gotta know.
If you're dense, you're dense.
If you're yeah, that's a good way to put it.
Yeah.
Oh, he's coming to fucking sit down, eh?
No, I'm sitting down, so you can't.
Don't give him the chair.
Oh. Is it on fire?
Dude, it's looking pretty fire in this lighting.
Fuck yeah, dude.
What are you unplugging? Oh yeah. Yeah. Dude, it's gonna be fire.
Let me take a look, dude.
It's gonna be so fire, dude. Fire that look, dude.
Dude, that old guy's got his cack out. Just about the most fun I've ever had.
Fucking mint, dude.
She done?
Yep.
It's very strong.
Very sturdy.
It's mint, dude.
Got the toilet paper in the ears?
Yeah, that's working pretty good. Okay, now with our newly reinforced crash bar. Fire back on. I hate fiberglass, dude. It's so fucking scary.
Man, you're gonna be running really low when you get the new wheels.
How long of a fucking zip tie you think we need for that?
Still a regular one.
She's in. After today, this is our first experience with fiberglass. Fucking hate it. That was really scary. We got one kind of hairline crack where it wraps around the fender. We'll fix that. We're just gonna use all the mounting boards, honestly, to make sure this thing's fucking on here. Right now, we're only utilizing the crash bar, but we'll drill these out right here because there's spots for it. We'll make it solid. Maybe chuck some double-sided tape on the fender there.
Right here?
Yeah. So that hugs it there. But yeah, it's looking pretty fucking right on.
Well, let's check the grill and the headlights on and see how she friggin'
How
shorts.
she fucking goes, alright. What the hell's that about?
Fittlements?
Looks sick. We need to figure out this fittlements, dude. I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Headlight fittlements?
What the fuck's going on, dude?
Pimpin' ain't easy, no.
Yeah, dude. Nah, we'll figure it out. It'll be fine. It's like 40% on. We used up most of our fucking day with cutting up the stock crash bar. Fuck! So we've got some math to figure out, dude. Yeah, we'll get it situated because something's fucked. It was just the fittlements, the angles, something's not right. We'll get it going. We'll get it secured properly. We'll fix that little crack we got. She'll be fucking mint, dude. Alright, eh? So we got her situated. Don't mind the fitment on the corner lights. You're gonna have to figure that out later, but it's not looking too bad. Just use the stock crash bar as you saw. Shout out to Super J for helping the boys out. Right on. Great guy, actually. But yeah, she's probably sturdy enough. I don't know. I guess we'll find out when I run over it. But holy shit.
Should just JB the whole fucking thing on.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. Pretty fucking tits, if you ask me.
Big tits.
Okay, well, right arm.
Right arm.
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
And
Shut the fuck up.
stay tuned for actual mods and some fucking drifting footage, dude.
Where are we drifting?
Joel wants to go with us, dude.
Okay, if Joel's taking us, we'll do
Joel,
some drifting.
Uncle Joel's taking the boys, we'll go.
Uncle Joel.
Uncle Joel. Uncle Joel.
Oh.
Oh, Uncle Joel. Uncle Joel's taking us drifting. Thanks, Uncle Joel.
Us drifting behind Boston Pete.
Uncle Joel's taking us drifting. Anyways,
First, we're going to Boston Beach.
Mom's taking us to Boston Pizza. Anyways, holy shit, sorry about it. It's
Old dick.
extremely overexposed, but it looks so orange. Why does it look orange?
Okay, well, let's take us for a drive and explode it.
Okay,
Hit one little bump and explode this fucking
parking
bump.
piece, brah.